And special thanks to our friends at i-Blason who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Pro i-Blason case. This is for the 6.1 inch iPhone 15 Pro. This is a black case. Let's take it out and look at it. Nothing else in the box. Slide it out. Little installation guide. And this is the case. Wow. So peel that off and then grab this little corner to peel off the front protector screen here. There we go. Out this. Peel off that, and that is our case. So if you were to put this on your iPhone 15 Pro, you would take your iPhone 15 Pro and just kind of pop on your front screen protector here, which I love that these cases include the screen protector. And then you just easily slide this into your case. Pop it right on, right around, and there we go. Now, I've actually used a very similar case with my iPhone 13 Pro from my friends over at i-Blason for the past year now, and this is what the phone would look like. So you have a little MagSafe here to help with your MagSafe accessories. Nice cutout for your camera module, power button, little i-Blason logo, volume rockers, and then your speaker grill, as well as a nice protector for your USB-C port. And it looks like you can even like put it on a wrist strap or neckband with this here. But this is what it would look like if you were to get this iPhone 15 Pro i-Blason case. Thanks again to i-Blason who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.